I've been thinking about something lately in terms of what the next wave of billion-dollar AI companies may look like. And, my guess is they look pretty different from the SaaS companies we've built over the last decade. Because if you look at it from first principles, the reason is pretty simple. Let's take platforms like Salesforce, Zendesk, Notion. No doubt they're great products. But, if you zoom out, they are still basically system of records, right? A human first logs in, then updates the data, and then, moves the workflow forward. So if you see the software isn't really doing the work, right? It's just recording what a human did. Now, let's imagine that assumption breaking and software stops waiting for input and, actually starts taking action. That's where the agentic mindset comes in. So for this, let's take two examples. First of all is Cognition AI, where Devin takes a GitHub issue, figure out the fix, write the code and run test. Or the second example is Cursor, where developers guide the system while the agent handles larger parts of implementation. So if you see from these two examples, the value in software starts shifting, right? Less in the interface layer and, more where the work actually happens. Humans are providing the intent and agents are actually executing the workflow. And if you notice, that's how you start getting the 20x company, right? Small teams producing the output of much larger ones because the stack is agent native from day one. And, if this continues, the biggest companies of the next decade won't just be software tools and they'll build systems that actually perform the entire work.